The benefit of using InSpec over another academic search engine is that you're able to do highly focused, highly specific searches. You're able to find articles which mention specific wavelengths, specific frequencies, specific masses, which are published in different languages, which have different types of neural net or different types of subatomic particle or different types of cosmological object. It allows you to find small sets of relevant articles which are really, really focused towards you that you simply would not find on academic search engines, even if they're there.
InSpec's indexing is actually unparalleled in its granularity. For many subject areas, there are actually 5 levels of indexing, which means that as opposed to just doing a keyword search, you can really drill down into the absolute detail of a research area, a technology. You'll find papers that might be indexed on other databases, but they're not indexed to that level and you would miss them. InSpec indexes over 4,500 peer-reviewed journals from publishers worldwide, from major publishers to society publishers to individual university presses and emerging online and open access titles.
We're constantly ingesting new content, preprints, journal articles, conference proceedings which aren't available elsewhere. We index it, we apply that structure to it, and then you can see that there are 30 new articles in the last week, 50 new articles in the last year on this specific topic or that combination of topics or that topic from that particular country that's of interest to you.
It's very important for researchers to have access to the earliest mentions or the earliest research outputs on particular topics. And that's why InSpec has included preprints in the indexing mix since 2015. InSpec's publisher neutral and we employ a very transparent content selection process. We also have in place a regular re-evaluation process to make sure that we are only including the most relevant and best quality and trusted research publications.
So it's important to stay up to date with research trends because you want to know what you should be doing next, right? You want to be able to see if you're working in a particular area, you want to know what the latest, the greatest, the bleeding edge, cutting edge research is in areas such as medical image processing or in areas such as neural nets and AI. You also don't want to be copying the work that's already been done. So you don't want to be reinventing the wheel. So
the open access flagging that we've been introducing into InSpec is absolutely invaluable because it means that researchers can identify from their result sets which items are open access. And in an environment where increasingly funders are mandating that people publish their research outputs in open access publications, it's actually really important to be able to see where people are publishing and how much of the research that you're interested in is in fact open access.
So depending on which research area you're working in, you're going to have a different set of tools available to you, right? You may have telescopes, you may have computers, you may have laboratory equipment, you may have mathematical methods. Research literature, just like any of those, is a tool. You need to have high quality tools. And when you use high quality tools, you get high quality results.